I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from TIM to Movistar, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your current TIM account is active and that you're not under any contract obligations. Step 2. Gather required information. Collect all necessary information, including your TIM phone number, personal identification, and any account details that may be needed. Step 3. Visit Movistar store or website. Go to a nearby Movistar store or visit their official website to initiate the porting request. You may need to fill out a form with your details. Step 4. Submit your requests. Provide the required information and submit your porting request. If you're at a store, the staff will assist you. If online, follow the prompts carefully. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, wait for confirmation from Movistar. This can take a few hours to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your email or phone for updates. Remember, if you have any outstanding balances with TIM, make sure to settle those to avoid any issues during the porting process. Good luck with your new service.